guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll just teach you guys how I got this blonde hair color that I use for graduation. And here we go. I did use Lavy Hair. I got 3 bundles. They're all 20 inches. And these are platinum blonde, and I just kept the roots black. So these are 1B/613. Okay, so I'm just showing you the bundles real quick. So as you can see, they are platinum blonde and the roots are black. They're very silky, long, smooth, just a little flyaways because you know with blonde hair you do get, some flyaways, but overall they're pretty good hair. And I also got a matching closure as well. I believe this is 16 inches. And the roots are still black. It's pretty good. It's like brown lace. And yeah. Okay, so we'll begin with just laying out some foil paper, and I'm just spreading out the hair, and I'm just going in with a brush and just making sure everything is evenly brushed out so we won't get any snags or uneven coloring. Okay, so the hair is looking pretty good. So now I'm just applying my gloves on to just get ready to mix the color. So right now I did use the Garnier Nutrisse color in 73. I believe it's a dark golden blonde with a little hint of honey dip. So this is a color that I'm going to be placing on top of this hair, and it will give me like a darker blonde because platinum's a little too bright and I kind of wanted like a honey/ash blonde. I'm just following the instructions that came with the box. So now I'm just opening this bottle, adding B, and I'll be adding also the C into this bottle, and then we're just going to mix the color together. I'm just going to give this bottle a shake so everything will just mix together well, and then right after we'll just start coloring the hair. So now I'm just applying the hair color. As of right now it does look white, but it will set later on in the video. After applying the color, I'm just going to go in with a comb and then just make sure the color is just being distributed throughout the hair as evenly as possible, and I'll just redoing this process over and over again until the hair is completely saturated with the hair color. So now we're just going to flip the hair over to the other side, and then we're just going to repeat the process all over again just to make sure the other side is getting saturated as well. So now I'm just going to, brush it out, apply the color, and so on. I know before how I was applying the color, it looks white, and now you can see the hair is starting to take the color. Now it's looking like a, like a light brown, and, let's see how this color's going to go. I completely saturated his hair color. So now I'm just prepping it so I could just, you know, get it folded up in the foil paper, and I'm just gonna let it sit maybe for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now I'm just gonna do the closure because I know some people, you know, struggle with coloring the closure. So I'm just gonna show you how I color the closure. So now I did have some leftover coloring from the first bottle, so I'm just gonna be adding that to the closure until it's finished, and then I will apply the second bottle. And you guys know coloring is really messy. Like, I got coloring all over the floor, the colors everywhere, the foil paper is moving, so I'm just letting you know, like, it's really messy, but the color's gonna come out pretty, I promise. Okay, so now, you know, I'm just doing the same process as before, and I'm just, you know, finger combing the hair. I'm just, you know, making sure that the closure gets, you know, saturated. Sometimes a little bit more easier to work with your hands instead of a comb. And then I'm just gonna finger comb it out, and we're gonna wrap this closure up. And now I'm just doing the second bundle. I didn't open this one because I was a little lazy, so I just kept it, you know, together, and I'm just, you know, making sure I keep opening up the hair, you know, patting it in, finger combing it, and combing it out, just to make sure that the hair gets in evenly. So this process is a little bit more tougher, but just make sure you saturate the hair very well, because we did not open the hair, guys. We did not open it, so saturate it very well. And I'm also sorry that I'm like blocking the camera. Like, I didn't even notice that was in the way. So just ignore that, guys. Just ignore that. And these are the results right after the hair is blow dried. It's very pretty. It's kind of like a, I don't know, like a honey blonde slash ash blonde type of color, but I really love it. It's very beautiful. And now I'm just showing you the closure and how it looks after dyeing. And I'll show you guys some pictures, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like, share, and comment, and if you have any questions, just leave your questions down below and I'll answer them.